Alright, hey, what's good, everybody? Oh, this is the first time on my channel. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the turn notifications so you get notified anytime I do everything crazy. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a thumbnail and how to upload it or add it to your video on YouTube. Okay, so first up, we're going to use this app called Fonto. Yes, you can find it on App Store. So just go to App Store and download the app Fonto. It's a P with a pencil-like icon on it. Okay, so let's make a thumbnail. So when you go to Fonto, you hit on the camera icon over here, or just tap on the screen if you want, and just go to plain images. You could go to plain images, you go to camera roll and add a picture, or photo albums to add a picture that you've taken already, plain images, anything at all. But I will just go to the plain images or add a background. So you come here and you choose a color and you resize it, and you make sure that you go to custom, and then you can make sure that the size is 128 1280 to 720. Make sure you use this size, or else your thumbnail will be cropped off or it won't really appear well on your video. So make sure it's 1280 to by 720. Yeah, so just hit on okay here. Yeah, so you can choose to add different colors to this one, but I prefer to just use a white background. But you can choose to just, I don't know, just go here and pick let's say I could choose this color, and just go to apply. Or you can keep adding. Different colors. You can keep adding different colors to it. And just making this look like, I don't know, just keep doing anything at all. But I prefer to use this very color. So just use the color and go to use. Yeah. Okay, so I made a video on the top 5 video editing apps that I could use on an iPhone. Yes, so if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. So I made a video on that. So I'm going to make a thumbnail for that very video. So first up, I'm going to add a test. So let's just go to, so when you just tap on it, it says add a test. So just write top 5, then video editing apps. Top 5 video editing apps. Yes, so you could go to the font and change the font to whatever one that you prefer. Let me see this one. Nah. So let me see. Look, let me just choose this one. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, so top 5 video editing apps, and then I try to add some style to it, maybe a background. Let me see if I could change the color of the text here. When I hit on the style, I can change the color of the text, make it any color I want, any color at all. But I think I'll stick to this one. And add probably a stroke, maybe a black stroke, and a background color. What do you think? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think this is okay. It's okay. So I could choose to add some shadows at the back. If I want. Let's tweak it anyhow I want. Yeah. I think this is okay. So just go to okay. I'll just go to size and maybe increase it a little bit. Yeah. 25 editing apps. Okay. So they're just image. So I downloaded this image that I wanted to use on the thumbnail. So I downloaded it from Google. So I'm just going to add it. So you tap here on those 3 lines here, and just go to add image. And it opens up your gallery. And just tap here, and then you choose what you want to add. So I'll just add this and drag it over to the side. I think I'll increase the size a bit. Yeah, I think it's okay, and probably tilt it a little bit. Yeah, I think it's cool. And I think I added, so make it like this. Yeah, and there's another image I download that I screenshotted from my phone that I'm going to add on it. Yes, so I'm just going to add this one to it. So I'll just move it here. Alright, so I think I'm going to add an icon. I'm going to add an icon here. Go to add images. Yeah, and then move it here, and then resize it. Resize it a little bit. Resize it a little bit. Resize it a little bit, and then I'll tilt it a little. I think this is cool. So I would like to, I don't know, resize this a bit. Yeah, so I think this is cool. I think this is cool. I think this is enough. This is enough. They can do the trick. This can do the trick. What do you think? Right. So anyway, when you're done, you just go to, you just hit here on the square with the arrow in the middle. You just hit there, and then you come to save as PNG. Save as PNG, and yeah, it saves successfully into your gallery. So when you come to your gallery, yes, you can see it here, right here. Yeah, so what you need to do now is to locate. When you're done with this, you need to upload the video. You upload the video, and after uploading the video, and then you come to the YouTube studio. So I want to show you that a little bit. Alright, so you upload the video. So once you're done uploading the video, then you come straight up to YouTube Studio. Yes, YouTube Studio. You come to YouTube Studio. It's an app that was made by YouTube themselves. So just come to YouTube Studio, and then you tap on the video that you want to add the thumbnail to. So just hit on the, just tap on it. Yes, and then you tap on this pencil icon over here. Just tap on this pencil icon, and then you hit on the screen. Yes, you hit on the screen, and then you come to custom thumbnail. So you can use custom thumbnail, or you can either choose some part of the video that you wish to use. But because we've made our own thumbnail, just come to custom thumbnail, and then we just move to where our thumbnail is. Yep, let's come to where our thumbnail is and select it. So we select it, and then we go to save. Alright, so once it's done saving, you could check it has been added onto your YouTube video. So you can go back to YouTube and check if it's there. So just refresh, and voila, our thumbnail has been added. So alright, so this is how to add a thumbnail, and that's how to create a thumbnail and to add a thumbnail to a YouTube video. So if you love this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn notification, guys. Support me, man. See ya.